It is possible in GardenCAD to use a number of different text styles. One style you might find useful is to go to Settings and click Text Style and set up one. I've called it TrueType font here, and from the TrueType drop down I've picked one called Viner Hand ITC as an example of a Windows font, a TrueType font. These should be distinguished from the standard CAD fonts that we use for most of our work. So I've made that the current text style. Let's just close that. If I pick this particular piece of text, it happens to be an M text. Let's look at its properties. And if we look over here, it's in a style called Standard. So it's not a Windows font, it's the CAD font. So now if I wanted, for the sake of argument, to put in some text in a fancy Windows font, just a matter of draw, text, but you'll notice that there are three flyout options here. Multi-line text that we just looked at, my preference, single line text, and finally Windows text. So I can set an insertion point, indicate some sort of height. I'll say 100, and then I'm asked for the rotation angle of the text, so hit the enter key and I'll say, put caps lock on, this is style Viner, and we'll OK that, and in it goes. You can see it's an elaborate Windows style of font. Let's do it again, and I'll put another piece of text just underneath, the same height, same rotation angle, but we take caps lock. Caps lock is now off, and in it goes. So you can see you can get any sort of fancy type of lettering you like in the GCAD Plus drawing, but you have to remember that you use draw text, Windows text. The shortcut is W text, starts that same command, as does text, start the single line text, and M text starts the multi-line text. So three different ways of putting text into your drawings.